Tell me the question though. Let's see if we end up getting the same answer. Let's just make it fun, right?
Y equal.
Y
Equal.
equal.
Yeah. Parenthesis.
Mm-hmm.
X -7.
Mm-hmm.
Parenthesis close. Parenthesis open. 4x.
4x.
Yeah. Negative 2.
So, like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then they put it in standard form or something. What does it say?
Your rectangle is standard form.
Standard form. All right, that sounds good. All right, I'll do mine. You do yours. We'll see if we come up with the same answers. Your answer.
Y equal -2. Y equal 2x2 -13 plus 14.
Do we get the same answer?
No.
Alright, let's see.
Oh no, I made a mistake. I did number 4.
Alright. This is a final answer, right? Yeah, you've gotten a lot better at this. Like, it's like automatic now. So it's like you just have to like look at it. You just know exactly what to do. Yeah. So try number 4 the same way. Same thing. All right. I'll do mine up here as well. See if we get the same answer. Alright, tell me number 4's question. So it's y what?
Y equal parenthesis x -2 parenthesis x -8.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Distributed. Did we arrive at the same answer?
Yeah.
We did?
Yeah, 2x2 -11x plus 24.
Alright, perfect. So we've mastered this, that's for sure. Right? Alright, what else do we have?
We got
Yeah, so it's like then so cross multiplication, right? Meaning you need a cross. Just to go together, just to go together. these two are equal to each other, but we don't know what the x value is. Alright, let's work on it together. Alright, now wipe this off and we'll jump right into it. So with you're doing what is called cross multiplication. Right? Some people call it like butterfly method, you know, because it's like 4 sides and this. That's fine. However you remember it, that's what matters, right? So what's the question? Like what are the
1 over x plus 1.
Like this?
Yeah. Equal x minus 2 over 2x minus 5.
Just like this?
Yeah.
Alright, so every time you have like cross multiplication problems, you're always going to be dealing with fractions. So even if you have this fraction on one side, on the other side there's no fraction, if it's just a number, maybe it's just 10, you're going to do like 10 over 1, just so it's fraction, right? And there's a reason why, because when you cross multiply, the first thing you want to do is this. So those two go together, and these two over here go together, right? So this basically means that you have x plus 1 times x minus 2. Exactly. What's next? Equal, right? 1 times 3x minus 5, which is what the same. So if you multiply this to, this is 3x minus 5, right?
Yeah, it will be the same because like if you multiply that one to another number is that.
Exactly. So it would be the same thing, right? So now, what do you think we should do next?
I think we'll try to solve the
One to the left.
Yeah.
And how do we solve that?
Like going currently like
The distribution, right?
Yeah.
To do this, right? We did this. Let's try to do this quickly. So this would be x2. This would be negative 2x. This would be positive 1x. And this would be negative 2, right? Combine like terms. This is x2. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Negative 1x minus 2 equal 3x minus 5, right?
Yeah.
Say again?
I feel like we have to try to times 3 apart, we should go up to 15.
You can't multiply those two because they're not like terms or anything. So you can't. There has to be another way. We cannot multiply it. What we can do though is we can have our x's on one side and have our numbers on the other side, right? So if I get rid of this, if I get rid of this 2, I do plus 2 here, and I do plus 2 here as well. Right? This will give me x2 minus 1x equal 3x minus 3. Right? And then I can get rid of this. I can do plus 3x and I can do plus 3x here. Right? This will give me x2 plus 2x equal negative 3. Right? add, I can do plus 3, right? This is gonna give me x2 plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. I do this, right? So I need multiples of 3. It looks like that question we just finished. So multiples of 3.
So 1 and 3.
1 and 3, right? So I have x here, and I have x here as well. I'm looking for
1 and 3. So minus 1.3 will be positive, negative 1 and positive 3.
So if it's negative 1, that will add up to give me 2. But if it's negative 1 times 3 would not give me positive 3. Yeah, there's something wrong with this question.
Another example, like the question can be solved because another example, like there's no number you can multiply apart from 1 and 3 give 3.
Yeah, exactly. It's one of those things where it's probably like there's a typo on the question. Yeah, because we can't use 1 and 3 on here. We're not able to factor it. Now, if this was say maybe negative here, we would be able to do it. Let me see. Yeah, keep it like that. And then we'll check later on this one. Let's jump to number 6. Yeah, I think there's a typo on this problem. Let's jump to number 6. Similar problem, cross multiplication. All right, so what's the number? What are we dealing with?
4 over n.
The letter N.
Yeah. Negative 2.
Negative 2 equal
3 missed up. Negative 3 equal m plus 5. No, m. M as in monkey.
And this is N?
Yeah.
They're 2 different letters?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Plus 5.
Plus 5.
Over 5.
Over 5. We really do have 2 different letters?
Yeah.
Say if this was 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 divided by 5 would be 2. So 4. This could be 7. No, this could be 5 as well. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2, right? 4 divided by 2 is 2. So M could be 5. N could be 5 because 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And N should be 5 as well. 5 minus 3 would be 2 at the bottom. 4 divided by 2 should give you 2. So 2 equals 2. That's surprising it has two different letters because it could not be. It has to be one letter. Let's use one letter. There's no way it's different letter. Let's use n. Alright, this looks more like it. Again, we're just gonna cross multiply. If I cross multiply this two goes together, and this two goes together. Right? So it's n minus 3 times n plus 5 equal 4 times 5 is what?
Like 4 times 5 is 20.
20, right? So this is what we're working with. Working with 20. I can do. This is what we should have done on the other problem. Alright, so we're trying to solve for n. So how about we do this? Minus 20 minus 20, right? This would give me n minus 3 n plus 5 minus 20 equals 0. Right? And then we do this. So this is n squared plus 5n. Right? Tell me if you know it.
What 2?
Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative 3n, right? Negative 3n. And what's the last one?
15.
Positive or negative?
Positive. Negative.
Right? Because it's negative 3 times 5.
So like Mr. Ugo, that's one of the places I get from. Like, so the sum depends on the number you try to multiply on the number.
So you're doing this times this first and that first, second.
Okay.
So if it's 3, whatever sign is next to it, you're gonna take it with you. So negative 3 times 5. And what would that be?
Negative 15.
Negative 15, right? Don't forget that 20 minus 20, right? Equal 0, right? So now we get, well, what do you notice? We have, what can we combine? Like we have...
we're going to combine the 5n and 3n.
What else?
15 and 20.
Yeah, right? Those are like terms, they look the same, right? So let's knock this out quickly. So this is n2. What would this one be?
Wait, 2
Minus.
5.
It wouldn't be 5, right? Like you have negative 15 minus 20. Should give you a bigger negative number.
We're giving 35.
Exactly. So negative 35, right? Equal 0, right? Now, what do you think we should do? Because we need to do this. What do you think we should do here?
First of all, we'll put the 2 and both sides. And then second, we put positive 2n.
We need multiples of 35. Remember?
Yeah.
Like what factor? Multiple of 35, let's go. 1 times.
135.
What else?
5 times 6.
No, close enough.
5. Wait, Mr.
Close enough.
7.
7, right? 7, right? So we have 5 and 7. Now we just gotta figure out what the signs should be.
Negative 5, positive 7.
Absolutely. So negative 5, positive 7. Yeah, that's it. This times this gives you that. This plus this gives you this. But we still want to figure out what n is, right? Now we're very close, right? This is it. So n minus 5 equals 0, and n plus 7 equals 0. This is plus 5 plus 5, and it's 5, and this is -7, -7, and you go to -7, right? So n could be 5 or -7, and that should make all the sense in the world, because yeah, it does. It does. Alright, that's literally how we do it. Cross multiply first, set them up, get rid of that 20 on that side, get rid of it, do the same thing on the other side, do the distribution, get that done, like terms equal to 0, factor, know which one goes here, know here, we got the multiples of 35, and then we figured out, find an answer, n could be 5 or n -7. That's how you do it.